I am Dr. P.R. Parthasarathi, a chest physician from Chennai. In this video, I would like to talk about stress and breathing exercises which can be used as a stress reliever or a stress buster. Stress is a common word which you hear nowadays from both young and the old persons. Now, human body has been designed to experience stress and react to it. Whenever we face a challenging situation, the body reacts to it and produces certain changes. This is called as stress. This can be positive, which will help us to do things in a much better way. But when the stress continues without any changes, without any period of relaxation, what is called as chronic stress, the damage to the body continues unabated, and this can produce certain physical, mental and behavioral changes. The physical changes because of chronic stress include muscle pain, headache, body pain, chest pain, palpitation, increase in blood pressure, breathing difficulty, digestive problems and impairment in immunity. The mental changes include irritability, anxiety, depression, insomnia and even panic attacks. The behavioral changes, certain individuals who experience chronic stress, they adapt themselves to the chronic stress by certain behavioral changes in the form of getting addicted to alcohol, drugs or to smoking, or some people they go for compulsively shopping and overeating. These should be avoided. Now there are various methods of counteracting this stress. The relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, breathing exercises, they are the tools to counteract this stress. Now any form of physical activity will relieve stress. One need not be an athlete or spend hours in the gym to counteract this stress. Even a small physical activity like walking or running for a short period will help relieve the stress. But the breathing exercises which can be done at home or in your own environment not only helps in relieving you of the stress, but also it helps in improving your lung function, which is a very important thing as far as your total health of the body is concerned. There are certain breathing exercises which can be done to relieve the stress. They are, one is pursed lip breathing, second is diaphragmatic breathing, third is pranayama, fourth is breath focus technique. These things has to be done in an open place or in a well ventilated room. Sitting comfortably in a chair with your shoulder and neck muscles relaxed and your leg firmly on the ground and your eyes closed. These exercises has to be done in this method. Pursed lip breathing. In pursed lip breathing, sitting comfortably in a chair with your shoulder and neck muscles relaxed, with eyes closed and your feet firmly on the ground, inhale breath through the nostril. Once you have reached the maximum capacity of your lung, breathe out through the mouth. When you are breathing out through the mouth, you breathe out as if you are blowing out a candle. Diaphragmatic breathing. In diaphragmatic breathing, you place one hand over the abdomen, one hand over the chest. Try to take a deep breath through the nostril with your shoulder muscle and neck muscle relaxed and your eyes closed and your feet firmly on the ground. Take in a deep breath through the nostril. When you are taking in a deep breath through the nostril, you will feel the hand over the abdomen going forward. Hold it for a few seconds, then exhale through the mouth. When you are exhaling through the mouth, you will feel the hand over the abdomen going inwards. Pranayama. In this method, you use the thumb on the right hand and the ring and the little finger on the right hand to close the nostril. The thumb for closing the right side of the nostril, the ring and the little finger for closing the left side of the nostril. Sitting comfortably in a chair with your shoulder and neck muscle relaxed and your eyes closed and your feet firmly on the ground. Close your left side of the nostril with your thumb and inhale the air through the open left side of the nostril. Once you have reached the maximum capacity of your lung, close the left side and breathe out through the right side of the nostril. This can be repeated 5 times. Breath focus technique. In this method, you are focusing your breath. Sitting comfortably in a chair with your eyes closed and shoulder and neck muscles relaxed and your feet firmly on the ground. You take in deep breath through the nostril, hold it for a few seconds and exhale through the nostrils. You can use a timer which is found in all the mobile phones. You can use it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Switch on the timer for 2 minutes. Start the breathing. Start inhaling through the nostril. Once you reach the maximum capacity of your lung, slowly exhale through the nostril. Till the 2 minutes timer sets off the alarm. Your focus will be on your breath. All these breathing exercises tend to focus on your breath, thereby improving your lung function. In addition, it will also relieve you of your palpitation, your increased BP and increased breathing, which are the results of your stress. So by this method, you can relieve the stress. This can be done anytime. Whenever you feel stressed out, spend about a few minutes to do these breathing exercises. You will find the immediate relief from your stress. Thank you.